Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, so my name is Faris Syahputra, and now I want to do my chemistry practicum examinations, and I have two things to do. The first one is I have to explain about colloid, and I have to explain does pudding or jelly is type of colloid, and the second one is I want to make a pudding. So let's get started, and let's go. Okay, so what is colloid? So a colloid is one of the three primary types of mixtures, with the other two is being solution and suspension. A colloid is a mixture that has particles ranging between 1 and 1,000 nanometers in diameter, yet are still able to remain evenly distributed throughout the solution. These are also known as colloidal dispersions because the substance remain dispersed and do not settle down to the bottom of the container. In colloids, one substance is evenly dispersed in another. The substance being dispersed is referred to as being in the dispersed space, while the substance in which it is dispersed is in the continuous space. To be classified as a colloid, the substance in the dispersed space must be larger than the size of a molecule, but smaller than what can be seen with the naked eye. This can be more precisely quantified as one or more of the substance dimensions must be between 1 and 1,000 nanometers. If the dimensions are smaller than this, the substance is considered a solution, and if they are larger than that, it is considered as a suspension. Okay, so as we know, a colloid is a mixture of two or more substances mixed together, but not chemically combined. They can be separated. They are a special type of mixture where tiny particles of one substance are scattered through another substance. Cream is colloid as it's made up of tiny particles of fat dispersed in water. The particles making up a colloid are smaller than those in a suspension. Jelly is a colloidal solution of sweetened fruit, water, and thickener called pectin. In it, the dispersed base is liquid, water or sugar syrup, and dispersing medium is solid, bits of sweetened fruit and pulp. It belongs to the category of gel type of colloid. If you cook jelly powder with milk or water, then you can see that the particles move freely and don't stick together. Jelly is neither a mixture nor a solution. It belongs to a class of systems called colloidal dispersions or salts. They have the properties of both mixtures and solutions. Other examples of salts are milk, butter, ink, and hair gel. Okay, now so after all the explanations, we are going to the second activity. So we are going to make a pudding. Let's go. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So my name is Faris Syahputra, and now I want to do my second activity. So now I want to make a pudding, and this is all the ingredients. So the first ingredients is 1 liter full cream milk, 1 pack of agar-agar powder, 1 teaspoon of jelly powder, 7 tablespoons of condensed milk, 7 tablespoons of sugar. So now after the pudding ingredients, we go to the cream cheese ingredients. Okay, so the first ingredients is 200 milliliter full cream milk, 4 tablespoons of condensed milk, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and cheddar cheese. And now for the topping, I want to make a palm sugar syrup, and this is the palm sugar. And I also want to add some almonds in the pudding to add some texture. after that we are going to make the pudding, so let's go. So now we are going to make the pudding, and what we have to do is pour all the pudding ingredients into the pan. So first you pour the agar-agar powder, and the second one is you pour the jelly powder. And next pour the 7 tablespoons of condensed milk. After that, add the 7 tablespoons of sugar into the pan. And the last thing is add the 1 liter of full cream milk into the pan. Next step, stir all the ingredients and mix it up. And of course, don't forget to add the almond. Now pour the pudding liquid into the container. Okay, so now we are going to make the cream cheese. Of course, like it used to be. So the first thing we have to do is pour all the ingredients into the pan. So now I pour the 200 milliliters full cream milk into the pan. And then I add 160 grams of cheddar cheese. After that, add the 4 tablespoons of condensed milk to add some sweet flavor in the cream cheese sauce. And of course, don't forget to add the 1 tablespoon of liquid cornstarch so the cream would be more creamy. And then, after all the things are done, we put the cream cheese into the container. And now we are in the last part of making milky boba pudding, and now we want to make the palm sugar syrup. The first thing you have to do is pour the 70 milliliters of water into the pan. Cook it until it boils, and don't forget to add the palm sugar syrup into the pan and stir it up and mix it up. And then the last thing is put the palm sugar syrup into the container. After that, freeze the pudding until it gets harder, so the pudding is ready to serve with the cream cheese and palm sugar syrup.